Hello, YouTube. This is Jay Coder back with another stream. And today I'm going to be going over some APIs that would be that could be used for good ideas for an Android app. If you like this kind of thing, please subscribe to the channel and go ahead and comment, like this video, and let's get started. And so, what I want to do is I found this article with uh, that says it has the 10 best free APIs to enhance your apps. And basically, APIs are an important part of software development. Many applications, if not most applications, use APIs. It's basically tapping into someone else's server and they'll give you information back. And so, like, for instance, your application can talk to a weather API, and the weather API can tell you the current weather, and then your app can display that information that it retrieved from the API. So, so I wanted to go over these different APIs, and an API can become the core functionality of an app as well. And looking at these different APIs, we can see some inspiration for app ideas. And so we have the open weather map. So this one retrieves weather data for any location worldwide, including current conditions, forecasts, and historical data. So if you pretty much want this to be the engine for your weather app, go ahead and use it. These also should be free according to the article. And the next one is NASA API. Access a wide range of data from NASA, including images from space telescopes, satellite imagery, Mars rover photos, and more. So, if you want a application that displays interesting photos of space images and things like that, you can use the NASA API. Twil, and then we have the Twilio API. Send and receive SMS messages, make voice calls, and handle phone number verification using Twilio's communication infrastructure. That's interesting. That's a pretty powerful API. It sounds like personally, I wouldn't mind looking more into that because it allows you to do these text message, voice calls, and handle phone number verification. He on this article, the author says it's free, so maybe there are some free components regarding that, but it's kind of hard to imagine such a powerful API being free. But I want to look more into that. Twilio. So the next one is Chuck Norris Jokes API. Generate random Chuck Norris jokes that are sure to bring smiles to anyone's face. So yeah, you can make a Chuck Norris joke app, and then Dog CEO's Dog API. Get random images of dogs, search for specific breeds, and retrieve information about different dog breeds. Okay, so if you want to make your app about dogs, then that might be good. The cat API retrieve random pictures of cats with different filters and categories, perfect for cat lovers and meme creators. Yeah, so if you cat lovers want to make an app like that, you can use that as kind of your foundation. Oxford Dictionaries API. Access a vast collection of English language dictionaries, including definitions, synonyms, antonyms, and example sentences. So that's pretty cool if you want to make a dictionary application. And then there's CoinGecko API. fetch cryptocurrency data, including market prices, trade volumes, historical market trends. That's also pretty interesting that uh, perhaps you can use this data to help you make a wise investment decision regarding cryptocurrency, and this might make a good app as well. Spotify API integrate with the Spotify music platform to retrieve song information, create playlists, and access user data. I I've worked with that API before. It's a good test app for companies to ask like a candidate to do a test, and using this implementing the Spotify API can be pretty good with that, and something you can also put on your portfolio. And Joke API fetch random jokes, programming jokes, and other categories of jokes to entertain developers and lighten the mood. So, yeah, those are kind of some apps that can get your brain jogging in the direction of what thing you want to put in your app that you are building, and perhaps you can even add AI to these APIs as well. You know, one challenge is if you want practice, why don't you include all these APIs here into one app? And I think that would give you pretty ample practice in Android development. But yeah, I hope this helped and gave you guys some different ideas, and perhaps you can try some of these APIs. And I'm going to also leave this link in the description. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, and as always, stay coding. Peace.